One of the joys of doing these abstract acrylic pour paintings is that when it's finished and it's hanging up on the wall, I can look at it and I can say, oh, I made that. And then there's this one. I look at this and I think, oh, 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 yeah, I have no idea. No idea which end is up, literally. So watch this video on how I created this, and then you help me decide which end is up. Okay, so I've already got my base layer down, and I'm just gonna do the same colors that I did for the big one, but I'm gonna do them in a smaller puddle because we don't need as much paint. All right, now I'm going to take the background color again. This little spot right here will disappear when I put my background color on and blow the paint around. You'll see after I manipulate the paint with the hairdryer, there's really no form or anything interesting to look at. You see? I'm going to give this one more burst of color in the middle. I'm not going to cover it up with the background color. I'm just going to blow that out and see what I can get. After I added more paint in the exact order that I poured it on this piece, I decided that I wasn't going to use the hairdryer to manipulate the paint around the canvas. Instead, I was just going to blow on it. And then some new interesting things appeared. And then I decided to scrape off some sections. But this new negative space created something interesting to look at. And I liked that a lot. Yeah, I like that composition a lot better. It's more interesting. It's not so all over, and we do utilize some of the negative space as well, which is also a nice feature. It's got a focal point. It's got somewhere to look right in the center, which is really nice. Got this cool little sort of S shape that kind of created naturally. Yeah, I think that's really nice. It's interesting. It's got some form. It's definitely got some color to it. And then I decided to scrape just one more section. Last one, I promise. And it looks a little wavy and bumpy where the new layer of paint that I've added isn't quite leveled out yet, but over time that will level out. And when it dries, you'll be able to see that it is completely flat against the canvas. You can see the texture of the canvas underneath. But I think this looks good for now. So I'm going to let this sit, but I like it. I like it a lot. Well, it took some work and a couple of scrapings, but I actually made something that I really love. But now you help me decide which end is up. Is it A, B, C, or D? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.